Right now we'll be changing out the weather strips on the CRV Honda. The reason why on these trucks, they go out all the time. So pretty much, long story short, they're all cracked. They're not sitting well to the window, so water and dirt goes in there. So on all four, they're just clip-ons, okay? For the two front ones, you need to remove the side view mirrors. Just finished the passenger side, now we're doing the driver's side. You have to remove the side view mirror. Anyways, there's clips all in here, right? But the main ones holding these things together is one right here and another one right here, okay? One, two, and that one right there. Move that wire down a little bit, and that's three. Now we can pop this open, okay? Just pry it open a little bit. See that? And there's another one right here. But you have to open the door because when you try to pop this one open, it can get stuck with that, you know? So you have to open the door. Now you can come here and pop this one open. Let me move the mirror real quick. Stick that right in there. There you go. Now you can pop these open. Good. There goes the old one again. This is the new ones here. Okay, here goes the new one right here. So what you want to do, remember, the only thing that holds it in place is that teeth here and the other one on this side right here. That's it. So slide that bad boy in there. So these green ones here just hold this in place. The main one that locks it is this black one here. There's one on each side, one here and one right up here. Watch this. So what you have to do, slide that right in there. As you can see, we can start pressing down. Watch this. There he goes. It's in there now. So there's in there now. Now what you want to do is put on your mirror. There you go. Screw it on. And then you can take this off.